Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar yesterday praised the Shillong Law College for its significant role in shaping legal minds and contributing to the judicial and legal framework of Meghalaya. During the Diamond Jubilee celebration of the college, the governor extended his congratulations to Shillong Law College for completing 60 years of excellence in legal education. The event was graced by the guest of honor and Justice H.S. Thankyo, Justice Vanlora Dengdo and Justice P. Bhattacharjee, judges of the High Court of Meghalaya. Various cultural performances and presentations showcasing the college's history and achievements were also part of the program.
Thank you, sir.
I pay my respects to all the founding members who have started the first law college in the state, able to give such a high level of quality education in the state of Meghalaya. It is indeed a proud moment to have among us the two sitting judges of Meghalaya High Court who are the alumni of Shillong Law College. I would like to compliment the principal and the members of governing body of the college for their dedicated service to the institution. The college